Hey everybody, this is Kyle. Just a quick video on the new BB boards. I wanted to do a quick on-water demonstration illustration on how they perform side by side with another board already on the market. For this example, we're using my 8-inch Trifecta, which is a round lip, hard pulling, deep diving crankbait. Normally not one that you would think of to put on a planer board. Now, two common questions I've been receiving so far regarding the boards is how far do they swing out and what really makes them different? The distinguishing feature and quick answer is they swing out as far, if not farther, than anything else out there, but they stay out. They are able to maintain their plane better while other boards fall back to the wash. I wanted to take a quick second as I send these boards out to really explain that a lot of thought and time went into the construction and fabrication of these boards. I wanted something that was done right the first time, where guys didn't feel like they needed to modify for their use and application. I specifically chose quality and oversized components to make use of the boards much easier, especially in the cold and when wearing gloves. Here I needed to double wrap the line and the clip. The clip on this board couldn't handle the pull of the 8-inch Trifecta. With my board, that's not necessary. At high speeds in excess of 4.5 and 5 miles an hour, we have tested plows, 8-inch Marges, 10-inch Marges, Trifectas, and Supernaturals. Here we have both boards pulling the Trifecta around 3 miles an hour. We'll start to speed things up here, approaching 5 miles an hour and greater, and you'll start to see the quality of the run change as well as the plane distance. As the boards pick up speed, you'll see that the BB board swings out wider while the other board falls back to the wash. If you want to be able to open up more of your bait arsenal to being able to run on boards, if you want to be able to fish more aggressively, if you want to be able to pull bigger baits, and you want to be able to fish at faster speeds, keep these in mind.